I want to take a minute to talk about the guitar that I'm playing. I've been with Fender for a very long time, and obviously I play Fender guitars, and I have two signature models. I've had the Telecaster signature model out for a very long time, but I've also played a Strat as well, and initially we had the Strat model along with the Telecaster, and during the time that I was really playing the Tele more, that was the guitar that was featured in catalogs, and that was the one they were selling. But recently I moved back to playing more Strat, especially on the new record, and so Fender reinstated my signature model Strat, which is what I'm playing now. And the guitar is custom to my liking. The neck dimension is a custom dimension that I told them to make, and the frets are large frets, which I prefer, and the guitar is a swamp ash back and curly maple top, and the pickups are made by DiMarzio, and the neck is maple, and I went with the abalone style inlay, and that's it. That's my guitar, my Fender signature model. thank you for watching. I hope you were able to pick up some ideas and some inspiration based on some of the things that I played in the DVD. And as far as advice to young guitar players, I think it's important, obviously, to practice and learn the instrument, but I think it's more important that you use the instrument in a creative way and write your own music and find your own voice through your music and through your playing. And until next time, keep playing.